In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy domain and hosting from GoDaddy. GoDaddy tutorial. We'll start right on GoDaddy. Open your browser, head to GoDaddy and sign in. From your main dashboard, find the website or project you're working on and click Edit Website. This takes you into the site editor, where GoDaddy gives you quick options to connect your brand to a custom web address. Inside the editor, look for the option that says Get a Custom Domain and select it. This opens the domain search. In the search bar, type the name you want for your website. Keep it short, easy to spell, and avoid special characters if you can. If the exact name isn't available, try simple variations or different extensions like .com, .net, or a location or industry-based extension that still feels on brand. When you see a domain you like and it's available, click Add to Cart. GoDaddy will show you pricing, and you can adjust the registration length later during checkout if you want more than 1 year. Next, GoDaddy may suggest extras such as domain protection or professional email. These are optional and can be skipped for now if you're keeping things simple. Domain protection typically adds privacy for your contact details and some safety features. It's helpful but not required to complete your purchase. Email services can always be added later as your needs grow. Proceed to checkout, enter your payment information, and review the order details. Make sure your contact email is one you can access immediately since you'll need it for verification. Also, take a moment to check the registration term, tax, and any auto-renew settings so there are no surprises next year. If there's a promo box, add a valid code before you finalize. When everything looks good, place the order. You should see a confirmation on screen. Right after that, open your email inbox and look for a message from GoDaddy asking you to verify your domain contact information. Click the verification link to activate the domain. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder and resend from your GoDaddy account if needed. Once verified, your new domain will be active. If you're using GoDaddy's website builder, hosting is included with your plan, so your site is already taken care of on the hosting side. GoDaddy will guide you through connecting the domain to your site, and changes usually propagate within minutes to a few hours. That's it. Your domain is purchased, verified, and ready to use.